Now we want to look at glossaries. What is a glossary? A definition of a glossary is it's a pre-made list of words, phrases, or options used within JetEngine to fill out custom fields or options like select menus, radio buttons, checkboxes, creating reusable list of items such as ingredients or job positions for use across a website. So simply put, a glossary in JetEngine is just a reusable set of information, especially in a list format, which we can use in different areas. We can even use them for taxonomies and for filters. We are going to see those later on. Now, to create a filter or a glossary in JetEngine, simply come under JetEngine and click on JetEngine. Now, here, you see glossaries here. Now, just click on that, and then we can begin to add our glossaries. If we go back to our custom post types, and I come to property, we had a value, which was, I think, number of rooms. Was it number of rooms, which we had to use a glossary? It's not number of rooms. Let's say number of rooms. Actually, it was nearby amenities. So we had to take this from our glossary. So I'll just click on this here. Anyways, we can't do that right now because it's not yet created. So the new glossary, we're going to see amenities. The name is going to be amenities. And then the data source is going to be manually. We can also upload this from a file, like a CSV file, but we're going to do this manually. And then let's say we want to see Wi-Fi. Now you see, it throws me an error. Here, everything has to be lowercase. And then maybe connected by, an underscore. So this has to be Wi-Fi. It is recommended that all values contain only lowercase. Let's see, Wi-Fi. Then the next, I'm going to see room service. So here I'm going to see room underscore service. I'm going to put it here, capitalize this, room service. I'm going to see save. Other one, I'm going to see parking. Same thing here, parking. Here, I'm going to see maybe doorway, whatever that means, whatever that is. Then I'll see doorway here. And then finally, I could just see, um, let's see, what is that? Alarm. And then alarm. So I'm going to save this and it tells me it is saved. Now, if I come here and I try to select, I don't see anything. That's because it's not yet picking that data. So I'm just going to click on update and then I'm going to reload. I'll reload again. Internet is very fast. If I go now back to nearby amenities and I check my glossary, this is the glossary which we have here, which is called amenities. And now I'll update that. It's updated. The internet is very fast today. Just reload and you see it is reloaded. That, in a nutshell, is how to add a glossary, how to use glossaries in your custom post types. Now, remember, in this case, we used it as a checkbox. You could also use it as a select. You can use select. You can also use it for repeaters, but we are not going to do that right now. Just leave it at checkbox. Then I'll update again. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a front end template. So please subscribe to this channel to keep up with all updates that we post here. God bless you. Peace.